Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about some really important basic interview questions related to transformer losses. These are the kind of questions you'll definitely face at the entry level, so make sure you watch till the end to understand how to answer them properly. Let's dive right in without wasting any time. So, the first question is, how many types of losses are there in a transformer? The simple answer is, there are two main types: core losses, copper losses. Now the follow-up question usually is, which ones are constant and which are variable? Core losses equals constant, copper losses equals variable. So, why are core losses called constant? Well, it's because they depend on voltage, and the voltage in a transformer usually stays constant. Let's say we have a transformer with a voltage rating of 66 kV/11 kV. This voltage ratio stays pretty much fixed. So, since the voltage doesn't change much, the core loss also remains constant. In an interview, if you are asked, if one transformer is 50% loaded and another is 80% loaded, which one has more core loss? Answer confidently, both have the same core loss, because it depends on voltage, not the load. Now, why do we say copper losses are variable? Because they depend on current. As more current flows through the transformer windings, the internal resistance in the copper causes more heat and energy loss. So, higher the load, higher the current, higher the copper loss. Simple. Let's move to another common question. What is hysteresis loss? Here's how to explain it in a simple way. Transformers work on AC supply, which means current and magnetic field both change direction every half cycle. Now, inside the core, there are tiny magnetic dipoles that also flip direction with every cycle. This constant flipping causes collisions, and energy is lost in this process. That's called hysteresis loss. Now they might ask, how can we reduce hysteresis loss? Answer: we use a material called CRGO steel in the transformer core. CRGO stands for cold rolled grain oriented steel. It has high permeability, so it helps reduce hysteresis loss significantly. Next, they might ask, what is eddy current loss? Again, because we're using AC, current should ideally flow only through the windings, but sometimes small loops of current start circulating inside the core. These are called eddy currents. They cause unwanted heating and energy loss in the core. That's called eddy current loss. And how do we reduce it? Answer: we use laminated silicon steel in the core. These laminations break the path for eddy currents, reducing the loss. You can also add, the lamination thickness is around 0.35 millimeters, optional detail. All right, let's quickly recap. Core loss equals constant. Depends on voltage, copper loss equals variable. Depends on current, hysteresis loss, reduced using CRGO steel. Eddy current loss, reduced using laminated silicon steel. These are super common interview questions, and now you know exactly how to answer them clearly and confidently. I hope this video helped you understand transformer losses in a simple way. If it did, let me know in the comments. And if you want more interview prep videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.